Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. It is the first day of the month, and actually it's the first day of the 2018. So first of all, Happy New Year everyone. I hope you had a great 2017. I hope you had a fun time bringing in the new year last night, and that you recover from whatever hangover you may be suffering. Anyway, it is the first day of the month, and that means it is time to check my MOBE stat to see how much money I made for December of 2017. Not only am I going to show you that, I'm also going to show you my entire 2017 MOBE income. So last month as well as the entire year. So let's get right to it. So this is my MOBE back office. This is my reporting. I'm going to go in there. We're going to log in and check out the, let's see, last month, December 1, 2017 to December 31st, 2017. So hit apply. And so here it is. So for the month of December, I made $149,464.40. That's the payout, what I get paid. In addition to that, there is $16,826.92 of pending payout. Pending payout means the sale has been made, the customer has ordered the product, just waiting for the payment, or they're waiting for the customer to sign the contract. But it was made in December, so it gets added. You add the payout and the pending payout together, and that brings the December income to $166,291.32. Now, in addition to the payout and the pending payout, there are also a couple of other money that I get from MOBE that is not included in those two figures. The first one is the top earners bonus. Top earners bonus is given to affiliates who make over $100,000 a month with MOBE, and at this level, the payout, the bonus is 1%. So I get 1% of that amount, and so that brings that to $1,662.91 bonus, which will bring the income to $167,954.23. And also, in addition to the top earners bonus, I also get the MOBE Motors car bonus. My Jaguar and my Tesla, those cars are actually paid for by MOBE. I don't pay for them. They're paid for part of the MOBE Motors program. And MOBE gives me $3,000 a month for those cars. So you add in the $3,000 to the total, that brings us to $170,954.23. And lastly, last month in a contest, I received a contest bonus of $529.20. So you add it all together, my MOBE income for December 2017 comes to $171,483.43. So not as good as last month, but not a bad month. Any months where I do more than 100 grand in MOBE, I consider good. So overall, a very, very good month. And if you add it up, yeah, no matter how you look at it, I'm not going to complain about making 170K in a month. All right. So let's take a look at the year. So let's go to last year. Last year. So for 2017, January 1 to December 31st, income came to $1,536,055.13 plus a $63,393.51 pending payout. That's basically just under $1.6 million. And once you add in the car bonus of $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 right there. And also the contest bonus, other bonus I won. Basically, for 2017, my income came to $1,646,977.84. So, yeah, pretty over $1.6 million. My original goal was to make $1 million with MOBE in 2017, and ended up making over 1.6 million bucks. So really, been an amazing year. It's been an amazing year. I got nothing more to say about it. It's just been totally blow my mind. I mean, yeah, and I can't wait to what 2017 what 2017 brings. But I would want to answer the most obvious question on this. And a lot of people, whenever I publish this income report, I always get a ton of questions. And the number one question is always, how much did I spend to make this amount? I mean, 1.6 million bucks. How much? What was my advertising spend? What did I do to create this income? And the answer is zero. I don't spend any money on paid traffic. Last month, I spent zero on paid traffic, did not do any advertising whatsoever. My strategy is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I use all organic traffic. My blog, which is indexed by Google, people searching for making money online, how to start a business, how to do an online business, they find me. I create content. I create daily content that people want to read, that helps build a readership base, and then I sell to the readership base. I offer all my online product. MOBE is one of them. Web hosting, email list service, all that kind of stuff I offer. And same thing, my YouTube channel is another example. I don't spend any money on this YouTube channel. I produce daily content, and people come watch it. Hopefully they get value from it. They get to know me, they get to like me, and hopefully they get to trust me, and they trust me enough that when I recommend products to them to help solve their problem, they buy from me, and that's when I make my commission. And you add all this up, it's a $1 million plus business. So that's basically how I do it. All right. Let's look at the last month number again, and just to get an idea here. Because I want to share a couple more things with you. Because one of the reasons I do internet marketing is because the barrier entry, the startup cost is so low. Like, let's look at this. Last month, $170,000 last month. That works out to over $500,000 in sales at the retail level. So, see, most businesses, or actually most marketers for that case, most businesses and marketers, they give the gross sale. They go, I made this much, and they never tell what the net is. Right? So I like to be a little more transparent and tell you what I actually got paid. Like this is not gross sale. Gross sales is about $540,000, and out of $540,000, I get to keep 170 grand. Now, let's compare this to a regular business. And I found this interesting article on Business Week right here. It's how much it costs to start a Subway. So check this out. It says in order to start a Subway, you need to have at least 30,000 liquid asset and have a net worth of $80,000 to $310,000. Now compare that to an internet business where you don't need any liquid assets and you don't need a net worth of anywhere close to that much. And if you want McDonald's, you need $750,000 of liquid asset. Now, the average Subway costs $116,000 to $262,000 to start. That's the start. I started my internet business for the cost of a domain name, $9.95. And today, I'm not gonna say that it's totally free to run. I do have running costs, but you add up the cost to run my business. I have web hosting, I have a Aweber email list, I have a ClickFunnels lead page. And you add it all up, those costs come to less than $1,000 a month. So less than $1,000 a month to operate my internet business that just in MOBE alone did over $1.6 million, not including any of the other online income streams I have. Right? Now compare this to a Subway where you're spending up to $250,000 and your cost of goods sold, you got 8% royalty, as it right here, 8% royalty, 4.5% advertising fees. So each restaurant paying already 12.5% off the top in royalty cost. And then you got your employee cost, your food cost, your lease on your property, all these other expenses. And the average Subway here, according to this, does $490,000 a year in gross sales. After everything is paid for, the average Subway owner will make about anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 net per year. Right? And it costs you how much to start? Now, compare in 1 month. Like I said, my retail sales last month was was $540,000 to make my 171. In 1 month, I beat a Subway's 1 year sale. Right? So that's just and my costs No, the average Subway, I think, has almost 12 employees. If you look at this, an internet business, it's by far the best business you could possibly start. And we're in 2018. We're in 2018 right now, and everyone's doing their New Year's resolution, and they want to lose weight or make more money, that stuff like that. Now is the best time to actually start your internet business. Right? And if you're looking to start an internet business, MOBE is by far. I mean, I've seen them come and go. I've been in this business for 10 plus years. And generally, I get to see most everything before everyone else does because, the size of my blog and my influence and stuff, all these companies approach me, to say, promote us, promote this stuff, let help promote us. And so I see them all. I see all the latest trends and stuff like that. And of all the stuff I've seen come and go in the last 5-10 years, MOBE has been by far the best opportunities I ever came across, for both the new internet marketer as well as the experienced internet marketer like myself. So yeah, if you want to find out more about how this is done, basically below this video, I got a link to two things. You got a link to my ebook that shows you the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. It's totally free. If you haven't got a copy, go download a copy, read it, and enjoy it. And I also have a link to my 21-step ultimate .com lifestyle system. And this basically shows you step-by-step how I leverage the power of MOBE to create this income that I create. Right? So that is not free. It's $49. Allows you to go through all 21 steps. I also give you a one-on-one coach that will work with you and help you and guide you. Because one of the things I found was that my ebook is kind of like a general overall guide. It's not but the thing is, with internet marketing, it's not one size fits all. Everyone is different. Everyone's at a different stage. Some people are totally brand new, doesn't know anything, and then they got the more experienced marketer who already knows kind of stuff. And so this is why I have to coach. So no matter what your level is, your coach will be able to work with you to guide you at your level. So by doing it that way, I'm able to custom tailor the 21-step program to you. And of course, the coach is not free, so this is why I have to charge it $49 to it's a gatekeeper. It's just we don't waste the coach's time, don't waste my time, and don't waste your time. All right. So if you're interested, basically, I recommend you go through the 21-step, connect with your coach, and after you go through the 21-step, decide if this is what you want to do. If it is, great. If it's not, then just get a refund. All right. So summing it up. Amazing 2017. I mean, like I said, original goal was to make $1 million. Ended up with almost $1.65 million. Yeah, but totally blew all my expectation of 2017 out the window. So going to 2018, I can't wait to see what it's going to be. I have to basically revamp my goal. I mean, I wish you could supposed to do 1 million, but I'll share those goals with you in a future video. But if you thought 2017 was good, wait till you see 2018. Looking forward to it. Anyway, John Chow for JohnChow.com. Thank you for watching my little screencast. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.